Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see what to do if your USB pen drive is not detected or not showing up in Windows 10. Now, first of all, make sure that you have plugged in the USB correctly into your computer. And after that, you need to check whether it is getting detected or not. For that, you just need to open the File Explorer, and here you can see in the left side window, you have this PC. Just click on it. And after that, you can see in the right side window, it is showing you the local disk C, D, E, F, whatever you have. And if you have any USB drive plugged in, it will show up over there, eh? But in my case, I have plugged in the USB drive, and it is not showing up. So, I will show you how you can fix it. So first thing you need to do is click on the Windows Start menu, and then you need to type here, Device Manager. And then you will get this kind of a window over here. Just open it. After that, you need to scroll down and then click on these plus arrows under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. And if you see any unknown USB device, then it means this is the USB which you have plugged in, but it is not getting detected properly. So you just need to right-click on it, and then you need to click on Uninstall Device. After that, you just need to click on Yes, and then it will uninstall it. And after uninstalling this, you need to restart your computer. So, you just need to click on the Windows Start menu and then click on Restart, okay? So once your computer gets restarted, you have to plug in the USB drive again and then check whether it is getting detected or not. For that, you just need to open the File Explorer again, and then in the left side window, click on this PC. And now, you can see the USB drive is showing up over here under Devices and Drives. Okay, so this is how you can fix it. But in case, even after doing this, you are not able to fix it, then it means you have to try another port, or you have to test it on some other PC. Okay. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you. And please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you in the next one, next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.